शहर हैदराबाद में 28 से 30 नवंबर तक चलने वाली ग्लोबल एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप समिट 2017 में सफ़ीर अमेरिका मुतय्यना भारत केनेथ आई जस्टर अपने मुल्क के नुमाइंदों की पज़िराई करेंगे। इसकी इत्तला आज यूएस कौंसलेट ने दी है। हाल ही में मुतय्यन करदा नए सफ़ीर की ये पहली सरकारी ट्रिप होगी। आइए हमारे इस सरकारी मेहमान की कहानी इन्हीं की ज़ुबानी सुनते हैं।
Hi, I'm Ken Juster. I'm honored that President Trump has asked me to serve as the U.S. Ambassador to India. The U.S.-India relationship will have a profound impact on the 21st century, and I look forward to expanding our strategic partnership. I'm particularly excited about the Global Entrepreneurship Summit that our two countries are hosting in Hyderabad later this month. My first contact with India came when I was 11 years old, and my parents returned from a trip there. I still have vivid memories of my father's many photographs of this great country and its remarkable people. I'm pleased that I'll soon be living in India so I can fully experience your extraordinary culture and history. My deep interest in India and international affairs is matched only by my love of sports, which also began at a young age. I played basketball in high school and have always enjoyed baseball, tennis, and golf. I also participate in less traditional sports. I think sports are a great way to bring friends together and build bridges between people of different countries and cultures. That's just one reason why I can't wait to play cricket in India.